Hello, today I'm going to talk about the Brita small 5-cup water filter pitcher with one standard filter. This is BPA free and it is red. I like drinking water out of a water filter, Brita filter specifically. I know the tap water in my state is supposed to be potable and actually not bad, but I like filtered water. I like the taste of it and it just kind of puts me at ease. Plus, when you have friends over, it's nice to pour out of a pitcher and give them that as well. I bought this about 10 months ago. My boyfriend and I use it mostly unless we have guests over. And it's just the right size to store in my fridge. It fits right on the top shelf or in the door. I think if I got any bigger, I wouldn't be able to keep it in the refrigerator. It is 9.8 inches in height, and width it is 4.45 inches, and in length and depth it is 9.37 inches. In weight, without water obviously, it is about 1.39 pounds, and it reduces chlorine, which mostly has to do with the taste and the odor of the water, and copper, mercury, zinc, cadmium impurities found in tap water. There is a small light at the top to tell you like the status of when you need to change the filter, and when you press it, right now it's at 100%, but if it goes to 25% it gets orange, and then the bottom light is red when you definitely need to change it. So it gives you a warning, and I like that as well. Then you have the Brita logo here. It basically just goes through the impurities and it filters all that out. There's a small light, and then you know when to change it, and you change it every so often. You can't keep it there forever. It does lose its purpose. No little black pieces in your water. Sometimes with filters that can be a problem. In the beginning, when you first change out the filter, you really have to run the water through a few times just to make sure you don't have that effect. But other than that, it's very simple. Very quick to change. Basically, I'm gonna show you here. Popping off the lid, very easy. And then in here is where you put the water, and the filter actually pulls up. I'm not going to do that right now because it's fine, and you can just place it in here, push down, and then it will work its magic. And when you put water in here, it filters. So I have a glass here prepared for this, and I'm just going to show you. I'm going to put this just plain tap water, and there's already water in here, and it's not that fast, but yeah, it filters through the bottom. And let's see, you can see here the filter, that's part of it. And so it goes into here, and then it's much more enjoyable as water. And I like pitchers like when you're having guests over and you're eating dinner. It's nice to be able to pour water as opposed to just going to the tap and filling it up. I just think it's nice. The lid, as you can see, it locks down pretty well, so you do not have to worry about it popping off while you're pouring. I do like how it's clear everywhere, so you can see how much water you have. You can see how fast it is going, and you can just see like when you need to change it as far as quantity goes. One Brita water filter can replace 300 standard 16-ounce water bottles. And that is a money saver, it's a time saver, and it's easier on the environment. Plastic water bottles can be very iffy. You never know like how long they've been standing in the heat or just sitting there like in a van while they're transporting them to the store. You just never know. And plastic has a lot of properties in it that it's not really desirable, it's not healthy. So definitely look into getting a filter. It usually has to be changed every 3 months for us, but we're only 2 people, so keep that in mind. It has to do with how many times you use it and all of that. I often add ice cubes to my drink, and the filters can easily be bought separately. So when you're done with one, you just buy the filter. You don't have to buy the entire product all over again. And most of the Brita filters just work with this one. It's like a standard filter for these types of pitchers. So yeah, I just changed them again and again. It comes with just one filter, and there are no leaks or anything like that. I don't have to worry about that. I have this pitcher on hand and I like it, especially when it's the summertime and it's really important to just have water that you can pour. And 5 cups is pretty decent, and I don't mind refilling it often if I have to. Brita was founded in 1966, and they focus on water filtration systems like pitchers and bottles and faucets and filters. So definitely check them out if you're looking for some nice water and you want it to be filtered. I like the bottles that they make as well, because if you're hiking, you don't have to just use any regular water bottle. You can have filtered water in a bottle, and I like that. And you can also do something to add to, be more permanent and add to your sink so that the water is filtered out of the faucet. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy your glass of water. I know I will now.